Alright, it is cold as can be. M04. M04 Covington. Alright, good.
Dew point 02 Celsius. Altimeter 3007. Remarks: freezing rain. Information not available. Mount Vernon Outland Airport. Automated weather observation 1419er Zulu. Wind calm. Visibility 9er. Sky condition clear. Temperature 02 Celsius. Dew point 02 Celsius. Altimeter 3007.
Brakes are good. Mount Vernon traffic, Cessna 5523 Golf is taxiing to 23 Mount Vernon. Alright, so turn coordinator's working, ball's moving opposite, DG is moving, VSI is at just about 0. Our altimeter is set. It is a cold morning today, but beautiful, beautiful looking day on Thanksgiving, so I'll take it. Kansas City Center, good morning. Cessna 5523 Golf at, on the ground at Mount Vernon, looking to pick up our IFR to Mike 04.
And November 5523 Golf, Kansas City Center, Roger. Did you say that you're ready to go now?
Yes sir, we're ready to go.
November 23 Golf, Roger, you are cleared from the Mount Vernon Airport to the Mike 04 Airport via direct. Climb maintain 6,000 on departure. Squawk 1141. This will be your departure frequency. You should be able to reach us as soon as you take off there. And your clearance is void if not up by 1440, if not off by 40. Advice center no later than 4-5 of your intention.
Roger, November 5523 Golf is cleared, direct 6,000, squawking 1141, departures 27.7, void if not off by 1440.
I'll talk to you, everyone.
Alright, 1141. Enter. Okay.
991, contact Kansas City 132.65.
Left turn out to the south, up to 6,000. We'll go 127.7. Mount Vernon traffic, Cessna 5523 Golf is taking off runway 23. It'll be a left turn out to the south, Mount Vernon. Final is clear. Mixture is going full rich. Flaps are up. Runway 23 is verified once and twice. Full power, making full power. Gauges are in the green. Airspeed is alive, 40. Rotate. climbing at 80 VY. It's a cold morning. She's flying up pretty good. Not too bad. Eleven 1100. Vernon traffic, Cessna 5523 Golf is left crosswind runway 23 departing area to the south, climbing to 6,000, final call, Mount Vernon. Alright, so heading off 195. Kansas City Center, Cessna 5523 Golf out of Mount Vernon, climbing through 2000. Kansas City Center, Cessna 5523 Golf out of Mount Vernon, climbing through 2,500.
I think I might have been calling you at this. At the 534, contact Kansas City 132.8. Nope, one more digit in there, 3287. No worries, good day.
Kansas City Center, Cessna 5523 Golf out of Mount Vernon, climbing through 2,700 now.
In November 4 Delta Bravo, can I have you go back over to 127.7 and try and reach this 23 Golf? I don't think you can hear me.
Skyline 244 Delta Bravo on 127.7.
Okay, November 4 Delta Bravo, see if you can reach a November 23 Golf. It's 5523 Golf. Let him know I can hear him, but he can't hear me.
That'll be November 5523 Golf. Center's looking for you. He can hear you. Apparently you can't hear him.
Thanks, sir. We can hear him now. 5523 Golf is climbing through 3,100 on 127.7.
Skyline 244 Delta Bravo to November 5523 Golf. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. We can hear you. 5523 Golf.
November 5523 Golf, Kansas City Center, radio check.
5523 Golf. We hear you loud and clear, sir.
That's 5507, Kansas City Center. That's 5673, Kansas City Center, roger. November 4 Delta Bravo, you weren't able to.
Kansas City Center, Cessna 5523 Golf. How do you hear? 5x5 now, sir, for 5523 Golf.
Southwest 2380, Kansas City Center, descend via the bush to arrival, landing northwest, St. Louis, altimeter 3004.
Alright, so radios are fixed. We're back on.
November 4 Delta Bravo, come back over to 2747.
2747 for Delta Bravo.
November 23 Golf, change my frequency 127.47.
2747 for 23 Golf. And 5523 Golf on 2747.
Roger, the carbon altimeter 3009.
09 for 5523 Golf.
City 507, contact Kansas City 132.65.
November 23 Golf, contact Memphis Center 133.65.
3365 for 5523 Golf. Good day. Memphis Center, good morning. Cessna 5523 Golf, level 6000.
Cessna 23 Golf, Memphis Center, howdy, Cape altimeter 3010.
10 for 5523 Golf, thanks.
November 23 Golf, change my frequency 134.65.
3465 for 23 Golf. And 5523 Golf on 3465.
23 Golf, thank you. Memphis altimeter 3015.
15 for 23 Golf. In Memphis Center, Cessna 5523 Golf has the weather at our destination. We would like to request the RNAV 1. Not sure if we can request it from you or the next controller.
Oh, you can request it with me. Stand by while I get that fixed for you. And did you want to go direct to Miola or EPFAL?
Would like it from EPFAL for 5523 Golf.
November 5523 Golf, roger. You're clear direct to EPFAL.
Clear direct EPFAL for 5523 Golf, thanks. You, one remaining.
November 23 Golf, descend at your discretion, maintain 4,000.
Down to 4,000 at my discretion for 5523 Golf. Alright, so direct EPFAL down to 4,000. EPFAL, then right turn of 272 to Zomto, then right turn of 007. Okay, so let's read the notes. DME, RMP, okay, not available. Helicopter visible reduction. Okay, when local altimeter setting not received. Okay, we are receiving that. Increase altimeter. Okay. So our missed approach is climbing right turn to 3000, direct Miola and hold. Direct Miola and hold. That'll be a direct entry. And our MDA is 800. That's going to put us 560 feet above the runway. We'll circle left for runway 19. And our CTEF is 123. That's set. That's set.
November 5523 Golf, contact Memphis approach 125.8. They have your request for RNAV 1.
Roger, 25-8 for 5523 Golf. Good morning.
Good morning.
Memphis approach, good morning. Cessna 5523 Golf at 5,200, discretion to 4,000.
November
5523 Golf, Miss Frenchman, altimeter 3017.
17 for 5523 Golf.
62. Southwest 2040, there was a flock of birds reported 3 mile final moving east to west at 1200.
I appreciate the heads up. We're not going to do birds today.
November 23 Golf, just report established inbound.
We were never cleared, sir, but we'll report established inbound for 5523 Golf.
Number 23 Golf, roger, descend to maintain 3000.
3000 for 5523 Golf. And approach Cessna 5523 Golf, established FO inbound.
Number 23 Golf, roger, maintain, you said you were on the approach there?
Yes, sir, we're established on the approach FO inbound.
And number 23 Golf, roger, and maintain 2000 until established on the segment approach and cleared RNAV runway 1 approach at Covington. Report IFR cancellation this frequency on the ground via commercial landlines.
Roger, 2000 is well established on a final approach course, clear for the RNAV 1 for 5523 Golf. And Memphis approach Cessna 5523 Golf has the field inside. We can go ahead and cancel now, sir.
Number 23 Golf, IFR cancellation received. Squawk VFR for exchange route. Good day.
Squawking VFR for 5523 Golf. Good morning.
4 miles to the northwest, inbound for landing 19 Covington.
In Covington, traffic Cessna 5523 Golf is 10 miles to the south on the RNAV 1 circling left downwind to lane runway 19 Covington.
Covington traffic, 64 Lima Zulu, 2 miles to the west, crossing midfield, 2000, doing a teardrop entry for left downwind 19 Covington.
In Covington, traffic Cessna 5523 Golf is 8 miles to the south. At 1500, we're going to set up behind Lima Zulu on left downwind 419, full stop Covington. We'll make our MD 1300 set up on the left downwind. Alright, there's 1 mile, we'll slow her down. And flaps 10. We'll maintain 80 knots. Covington traffic, Cessna 5523 Golf is 5 to the south inbound, left traffic 419 Covington. Covington traffic, Cessna 5523 Golf is 2 to the southeast now. We'll be entering left downwind here in a second for 19 Covington. Covington traffic, Cessna 5523 Golf is entering left downwind for 19 Covington. Alright, we're abeam the number, carpeet's coming on, back on, power to 1700, 10 degrees of flap is set. And Covington traffic, Cessna 5523 Golf is turning left base for 19, full stop Covington. Alright, we'll go flaps 20 now. Keep it at 80. Final is clear. .5,000-foot runway. Covington traffic, Cessna 5523 Golf is turning final for 19, full stop Covington. We're high. Alright, glide's coming back in. We're on glide slope, we'll keep it at 75. A little low.
Clear traffic, now 300, 516 November, westbound 1, runway 23, transfer.
Right aileron, left rudder. Alright. And Covington traffic, Cessna 5523 Golf is clear of the runway, Covington. Let's find the fuel pumps. Wonder if that's it right there. Yep, that's it.